Hello YouTube, and I am here in beautiful Singapore right now. So we just landed here at Singapore Changi, and after clearing immigration and customs and all that, we are now in the Jewel. We are now in Jewel Changi. We're gonna look for a place to eat. Whoa. I see a Porsche. Hang on. So right off the bat, there's a Porsche. Jewel celebrates the magic of adventure with Disney Cruise Line. Over here, whoa, there's the Vortex. That's amazing. I have to do this in portrait because look at that. A beautiful Vortex waterfall is right there in all its, I'm sorry.
Okay. Family. Ay, alika. Si Lola nagkabuta. Adin mo. Si Lola nagkabuta. Cookie.
It's not a really good view from down here. You should move to higher levels. Oh wow, look at that. Even from below, the view is really... Sorry. Oh, that's the Vortex over there. I guess that's why it's called that. Okay, I've gone my separate way for now so that I can find a place to buy a SIM so I can buy my data down here. I'm actually not sure where to look first because yeah, the rain vortex is right in front of me right now, and I'm walking back from Eastfold and park at level 5. I wonder where I can buy a SIM. I'm gonna ask around, see if anybody knows.
Ay, nandun yung aking spoon and fork here. Tama na lagi. Wala na kami. Sige lang. Ano mo? Naman ni.
Can I try this?
Wow, try mo.
Hi, wait. Why am I using my hands? Okay. I'll be fine. Okay, what does this taste like? What's this again? Satay gyoza? So this is satay gyoza, and that is prem tonkotsu. I'm still waiting on my steak fried rice. Let's see what this tastes like. There's a bit of crunchiness to the skin. I'm not an expert food reviewer, but that is really good. Satay gyoza. I will highly approve this. What about that one, the prem tonkotsu? Isn't the noodles already carbohydrates like rice? Okay, so this is prem tonkotsu with a bit of seaweed. First of all, I want to try the soup. So soup first, then the noodles. I mean, we chose the less salty option for the base. There's still a good amount of salt in there. I actually like it. It's not as bad as I thought it would. Not that I expected it to be bad. Noodles are pretty good too. They taste like noodles. That is freaking lovely. I approve as well. And here's our main event: steak fried rice with
Steak mo. Beef. Pork yan.
I think I forgot. It's not specified kasi. This is pretty interesting. I'll go ahead and try it out. That's a bit very thin ginger slices. I meant to say garlic. Alright guys.
water.
Water is chargeable 50 cents.
Okay, no ice.
No ice.
Yes.
So you prefer warm? 3 warm water. Alright.
No ice lang. Yeah.
That's fine. I like how enthusiastic he is. I should come back here the next time I go to Singapore. Anyway, let's check this out. So, again, I'm not an expert food reviewer. I just like all things delicious. Okay. This feels very tender. Oh,
No ice, so no.
fresh and hot too.
Huh?
Oh.
Grabe sila kaano. Kaya? Yes, kung po Manilola sa hang. Sorry lang, ayun niya magpunta sa'yo.
Ayaw niya talaga.
Okay, that was a tad too hot for me, but that was really good. The meat was very chewy, and as someone who's into chewy, oh,
Thank you.
so much.
Hey, we don't want to say thank you. Later you guys want to pay my salary.
Well, okay.
I'm the one to say thank you. I'm the one to say thank you because you're paying my
I'm the one to say thank you because you pay my salary.
salary.
I love that.
Correct.
Yes, they should say thank you. Instead, they're screwing us over.
Yeah, di ba din? Sabi the government officials should say thank you. Yeah. Or if you're paying them.
I should live in Australia
Why?
because I like it there. Based on what I've seen sa YouTube.
Nakita niyo ba na hindi na kanin? Yun o. Kana ulami. Di mo mo. Ka pa?
I'm gonna keep enjoying this, so I'll catch you all later. Okay, I just want to respectfully say this is probably one of the nicest bathrooms I've ever seen. I'm sorry. Whoa, whoa. Okay, definitely seen this before, but like, a hand dryer underneath the mirror. An option for paper towels. You don't see that in the Philippines. We now have a better view of the rain vortex from up here. Here comes the train.
Yan lang muna si Lola. Ay, hanap ko, bebe.
I am freaking terrified right now. Mostly because it's in a level above the second one, but oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this beautiful architectural masterpiece. That is the rain vortex. I feel like that's gonna go down a lot further because there are also sub-levels. So that's awesome. We're not even outside the airport yet, and already we're getting so much footage of some beautiful stuff here. This really makes me wonder, how on earth were they able to make something so majestic yet so terrifying at the same time? Hot damn. Alright everybody, before we leave the airport, we have this beautiful Porsche 718 here. This apparently belongs to Santa. Let's check it out. Let's see, we have this beautiful red beauty. I said beauty twice. And ooh, look at those beautiful paddle shifters. And the interior is being obstructed by these damn gifts, but that's fine. You have these lines to block off access to the public. Ooh, there's a Lego set right there. That's really nice to see. You have a Porsche at its ancient days. At Christmas, all roads lead home. That's really nice. We have some picture frames up there and the Christmas tree. We also have like designer clothes. We also have car models over here. It would be interesting to wear a t-shirt made by Porsche. I thought they were only on cars. I mean, I'm not judging or anything. Carrera GT. Looks really nice, I'll be honest. Oh wait, there's a price to this? 120 Singapore dollars, 130. Okay, they sell car models as well. That's nice to see. GT3 RS. Can't bring my phone up because it's connected to my power bank. Alright, that's Singapore Changi for you guys. They also had the Jewel Rain Vortex and oh. And we got to see a few stores before we head out. So, once again, we haven't even left the airport yet. And we already have like several minutes of video footage already. Although it's obviously going to be cut in the edit, but you know what I mean. So that's the F1 Paddock Club. That is the frigging pit lane or pit wall building. And over there is the Singapore Flyer. Look at that beautiful thing. And it's scarily tall. Oh my gosh. I would definitely love to go there. I kind of want to take a better look at the Marina Bay Sands. There's that beautiful building right there. That is insane. Oh my goodness. And there's some more Singaporean structures. That's just absolutely amazing. So now we are out here. I have no idea where it is, but I can see the Merlion over yonder. It's over there. It's a pretty long walk from where we are right now. And now we have a much better view of Marina Bay Sands. And look at that top deck over there. That looks really nice, if I'm being honest right now. Gotta work on the exposure here. And there's also a lot of tall buildings over there, along with the Merlion. This is the DBS Foundation Outdoor Theater. Looks interesting. I kind of want to go there. Or at least attend something. I don't know. I'm just I'm just here for the wherever we're going. I don't know. I'm just tagging along. So the boats pass under there. Singapore land. Some other business looking buildings over here. Very interesting. Fighter jet spotted.
Ay, asa naman to?
I have a Subway from Subway. This is my first time trying Subway. So I got roasted chicken breast with lettuce and tomato and ranch.
Abi na lang to.
Honestly, it's pretty alright. Again, I bit a little of the chicken, but like not a lot. So let's go for another one.
First time mo na kapilawanin?
You don't get this in the Philippines. I mean, I don't know. At least in Mindanao, as far as I've seen. Okay, so we're currently in the We're currently at the Esplanade, and right now there's a bit of undesirable weather. So I've taken the liberty to go inside because we came from there, and I decided to explore around a bit, and then I came across this on the second floor. I don't know why, but I kind of sort of expected this to just randomly pop up. And look, they're also playing a Haikyuu episode on the TV right now. Let's check it out. So we don't have just Haikyuu. We actually have merch of other different animes here. We have Hatsune Miku Colorful Stage. I mean, it's technically a game, but you know what I mean. Actually, my cousin also plays Colorful Stage, and she rages a lot. Mochi the Rock, Spy X Family. That's one I'm kind of familiar with because my other cousin likes to talk about it a lot. Oh jeez, the standees alone there's like 30 Singaporean dollars. I don't have that kind of money right now, unfortunately. And I tried scanning my debit card just to pay for $1.50 worth of seaweed, and it didn't even register. That sucks, but that's fine. Oh, we have MiHoYo merch here from Honkai Star Rail. I'm 100% expecting Zenless Zone Zero merch now. So this is all Star Rail. That's nice. And right on the other side of the Honkai Star Rail shelf, we have Genshin Impact now. And yeah, that's pretty much expected. I don't see anything Zenless related at the moment. Although Haikyuu seems to be the star anime today, at least. I don't know, not sure. And for those asking, there was no Zenless in the shelf adjacent to the Star Rail shelf, so that sucks. However, we do have some figurines here and more standees. Those are the standees, and we have some cards. I have no idea what these are, but okay. This almost reminds me of Yuzuha. What the heck? Yeah, these are $158, $82. That's absolutely wild. I don't think I can afford any of these, even if I wanted. Okay, this side is rather spacious. I reckon this is the cafe area. Yes. You have a full-blown cafe over there, and everything else. This looks really fire. I like it. I like how it's really themed to, you know. Okay, as expected, we finally find Zenless merch. Although it wasn't in the line that I expected. It's here. I see Nicole. I see Lycon. I see Ellen Joe over there. I see Alexandrina. I see Billy. Oh, this is actually really cool. How do I... Is this some kind of fridge magnet? I think it's a fridge magnet. What if I? No, it's not a fridge magnet. I'm not really sure anymore. Maybe it's just a card. Either way, I'm gonna ask. Okay, before I ask, I'm gonna check out the other stuff here. Oh, so we have Nicole, at least Nicole's other outfit, and Fulcra. Wait, I'm not. What is this supposed to be? Is this some kind of framed acrylic card set? Oh, okay. So it's a. Ah, I see now. Oh, sorry about that. What about Billy? Does it? It doesn't. It doesn't specifically say what it is. Oh, we have my precious here. It's a mini stand. A sandwich scented dream. Okay. Oh, I see a bit of a defect there. That doesn't look right. Or maybe it's. Oh, it's also there. Or maybe is that supposed to be the? I can't zoom out. What the heck? Is that supposed to be like the glue that's supposed to keep the standee over there? Wait, that I might get copyrighted for this. I'm sorry. The other standees here. These are actually $14. Got Nicole, Alexandrina, Evelyn, Hugo. Oh, Hugo as well. Nicole again. Belle. Interesting. And Belle. I guess it's Belle for the rest of the standees here. That's pretty much all we have right now. Couldn't we at least have all the other characters? That would have been really nice. Zone Zone Zero Stars of Lyra series Astra concert ticket collection. Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be just a decoration. I mean, all these are supposed to be decoration, but oh well. Alright, lastly, let's check out this section. So we do see Nicole. What else can we find? Oh, that's Polita. These are all nicely designed. I like it. I'm kind of surprised that this is the only section where they have Zenwa stuff. Oh, my precious. She's so beautiful. What the heck? Anyway, we have Anton. Anton's badass. Who else do we have? Soldier 11. Whoa, okay. A lot more than I thought, but I actually like that. Let's check out the others here. We have Grace. Oh, jeez. As expected from a gacha game. Ben. I can't see it clearly because I don't want to take out the displays. Billy. My favorite Starlight Knight. And, oh, Envy. I like that. It's fire. Lycon again. Polkra. This is basically her Mindscape copied over. Man, out of all the pins here, Polkra's is probably one of the with the least effort put into it. No offense, mate. I like you as a stun, but at the same time, I feel like they could have done something better for Polkra. Anyway, here's Trigger, Soldier Zero Envy. I find Soldier Zero Envy's lore really, really. I have no words. That's how I'm going to describe it. I did not expect to find anything that appealed to me today, and yet here I am. So we are continuing our journey through the second floor. We're gonna check back at Aniplus in a minute because I wanna check out what else is in store here, because I'm very curious to know what else is in here, because just don't want to stay at one spot for hours on end. Yeah. So there's a lot of music related stuff around here. So yeah, I feel like that's supposed to say this thing stopped working, close up or wait. Basically like that. The Malayan Council. Is that it's a kind of restaurant thing. Walking over to here, we come across a dead end, but it's actually a visual art space apparently. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go inside willy-nilly. Okay, so we were just let in without anything else to show, and we can see the outdoor theater from here. There's going to be a performance later, so we're definitely going to catch that. But right now, okay. I am genuinely loving this already. Caution, do not touch exhibits. Please proceed carefully. You bet I will. These are some really nice paper mache sculptures and some aluminum sheets. You definitely shouldn't touch that. And oh, wow. Wonder what this is. Is it supposed to be like that on purpose, or I'm not sure. But we also have this guy. He's just laying there. I'm assuming he's a soldier because he has the gun and everything. And what else is here? I have no idea what those are, but they look really nice. Either way, yeah, that's where pretty much the visual space ends. We're playing projection over here. Sorry if I'm not supposed to show that on video, but they also have this little thing going on here. Not sure what it is, and I'm very curious to know what it's supposed to be. So it's really nice. I love how they express their creativity here. This is nice. No room for one more brick. Performance work by Stitchin House. The opera takes place at Esplanade forecourt. Oh, this is a planned performance. Interesting. Still recruiting performers for the performance. Please do leave your name and contact information behind gallery series wish to be part of this performance. I would love to, but I'd rather just be the audience. Thank you very much. Overall, I think it's a really nice, quiet space around here. Oh my gosh, this one is still dangerous. We have a stack of weighing scales. That's pretty cool to see. It's like gets higher every time. Like the lower it goes, the higher the measurement is. And yeah, they weren't kidding when they said this one is still dangerous, because imagine an earthquake struck the town and this thing would come crashing down. I would definitely not let that happen. Maybe, I don't know. Don't want to hit my head or something. So this floor is a work of art, or at least it contains a lot of works of art here, from anime to visual arts to music. That's a form of art as well. I wonder if they sell the world's smallest violins here. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we have more mini museums in here. High art space. Interesting. Looks like they're closed for now. That's fine. However, we still a lot of others that are open here. Yeah, Fourth Sanctuary. Actually, 2 Fourth Sanctuaries. Museum Art and Co. I think that's just a jewelry shop or something. Okay, so I'm here now at the end of the hallway, and it looks like there's gonna be a concert here later, because concert hall's over there, theater is over there. That's interesting to see, because I'd really like to see what kind of performance there is here today. Wait, I'm still... What? Oh, okay. So that's Theater Street. So we went here, Jandela. Level 3, the Esplanade Co. Black room, white room. Black room, white room. Okay. Theater Studio, Pips Playbox. Huh. I would really like to see what else is in store here. let's keep exploring. Okay. So I'm currently here at the end of Theater Street. Can I press it? No. City Scoot. Fort Sanctuary. Leeway Song something. Level 3. Let's see. Okay. Wonder what's up here. Select levels, level 3. What do we got? Oh, we only have 2. And level 4. Let's see. Ooh, that looks more spacious. Oh, we actually have only one thing up there. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, just as we're about to go to the 3rd floor, my mom has messaged me telling me that I should meet with them downstairs because we're gonna go see the Merlion now. Yay! Thank goodness the rain has finally stopped. So now we can safely make our journey to the Merlion way over there, not having to worry about getting wet. Look at that, Marina Bay is starting to show its lights. So we're gonna cross that bridge from here all the way to the Merlion over there. Yay, more walking. No, I'm not saying that satirically. I genuinely enjoy walking. Okay, this is actually curved in a way. I actually thought this was straight, but no. Either way, this looks really nice. You get to see another angle, actually a closer look at the metropolis here. And over here, Marina Bay Sands once again. And over there's the theater and the Merlion. So this is the Jubilee Bridge in celebration of Singapore's 50th year of independence 2015. So I guess it's like the 60th year of independence now. I'm genuinely curious where that boat's going. No, you will get fined for that. You will get fined for that. No! Shut up. You will get fined for that. Look at that, the buildings are getting menacingly bigger closer we approach it. And over there is the Fullerton Hotel. It's a very castle looking statue. Or sorry, why did I say statue? I was focusing on the Merlion over there. Speaking of Merlion, there she is. The beautiful statue of the Merlion. We're now approaching the other side of the bridge here. Over there is the viewing deck of said Merlion. Look at that. We've now seen 2 different attractions involving water, which the first one being water vortex at Jewel Changi, and now the Merlion. This beautiful thing. Alright, so in this one single viewing deck, we can see 3 icons of Singapore. Firstly, we have the Singapore Flyer over yonder, where the Marina Bay Street Circuit usually is. Next up is Marina Bay Sands in all its concrete glory. And also the Art Museum. I'm sorry if I forgot what it was called. But yeah, we also have that awesome looking sculpture over there. And finally, none other than the Merlion. It's beautiful. Beautiful little nozzle inside its mouth, spitting out the water. What did I say? Why did I describe it like that? It sounds so weird. And of course we have to return now because it is starting to rain. But look at this beautiful nighttime view. All the landmarks here. You have the art museum over there and beautiful Marina Bay Sands. Most importantly, the Merlion over there. What a beautiful nighttime sight here. And let's check the metropolis as well. Whoa, okay. Lots of lights. It's like a metropolis Christmas tree.